y'all? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. My name is Deanna, and today I'm installing this wig that I got from Afsisterwig. All the information for this hair, of course, will be in the description box below. So this is their 20-inch 180 density straight wig, and what's different about this wig is that it has Swiss lace. It's a 13x6 frontal, so it has very tiny knots in the wig, so you don't have to do as much work to it. As you can see, they already bleached the knots on the inside, and not only that, but the way they actually stitch their wigs is a little bit different because they only use 1 to 2 strands of hair in a lace hole at a time. That helps make sure the knots are small. Also, the lace is a Skin Melt Swiss lace, so it can melt to your skin tone perfectly. Alright, so if you want to see me install this wig, then you got to keep on watching. So jumping right into things, I'm just going to slide off of my bonnet, and I'm taking my edge booster to slick back my edges. My hair is already braided, but I do have a little bit of leave out left out, so I'm just sliding this back so that I can put the wig on easy. I'm not going to be using a wig cap for this install because I noticed that when I do frontal installs, they come out better when I don't use a wig cap. So I'm just going to slick back my hair. So before putting on the wig, I'm going to take my cream makeup from Ruby Kisses, and I'm putting it on the inside of the lace, more so focusing it towards the front. Like I said, the knots are already really small, so you don't have to do any bleaching or anything, but I did want to color it just to ensure it really blends with my skin tone. This part is really optional because this is Swiss lace. It already naturally blends, but this is honestly just a habit of mine, which is the only reason why I did it. But now I'm just sliding the wig onto my head. It did have a wig band in the back that I adjusted to fit, and now I'm just sliding it on and just making sure my hair is tucked underneath the wig. Now I'm just cutting the lace around my ears so that it fits, you know, my ears comfortably. I really like that this wig I didn't have to cut off a ton of hair around my ears for it to fit. The wig was already a pretty good fit naturally. And now it's time to apply the glue. The glue that I'm using is from Wig Dealer. I switched back to this glue just because I think I like this glue better. This is my favorite glue. In total, I did 2 layers of this glue. I do want to say be wary of the amount of glue you use with this lace. You don't need a lot of glue because it will seep through really easily. Just make sure everything is dried completely and you should be fine. So now I'm just smoothing out the lace, and I'm going to blow dry it and wrap my edges. Now, after letting my lace sit for like 15 minutes, I'm taking these fabric cutting scissors. I like these because they have zigzagged edges, so when I cut the lace, it gives me even more of a natural look. I really love that this lace was like super easy to cut, and it was already blending really well with my skin, even before I had put like foundation or makeup like over the lace. Like in some spots I could tell it was already invisible, so I was excited about that. But now I'm just styling my baby hairs. So now around the parting space, I am taking my wax stick, and I put too much a little bit accidentally, but I'm just using my wax stick and my hot comb just to smooth out the edges around the sides. Be careful with this too. You don't need a lot of product at all. I just went a little bit overboard, so that's why it looks a little white right there, but the heat should dissolve it. So as far as styling, I decided that I actually wanted to put just a slight body wave in the hair. I wasn't trying to get it like super curly. I just wanted a slight wave. So I took my wand curler and just put the hair into sections and curled it. I didn't take like super small sections. I took like pretty big chunks because again, I was looking for more of a wave, just something casual. I just didn't want it like bone straight. So now I'm just taking my cream makeup and I'm going along the edges of the hair, but as you can tell, that really wasn't necessary because it already blended perfectly with my complexion, but it is just a habit of mine. Also, what I'm doing right here is I am cutting my baby hairs a little bit shorter just to give them more of a natural, like feathered look. The way they were before were a little too harsh and a little too thick, and I just wanted to do something cute and simple. This is the final look of the hair and it came out really good. I'm really pleased with this hair. The lace on this wig is top tier. When I say the lace is immaculate, that is not an exaggeration. It blends so good with my natural hairline and it blends so seamlessly. Like, this is really good lace for beginners also, because you don't have to fight with it. You don't have to bleach it or anything. You don't have to do anything to it. You literally just install it. So if this is your first time trying out a frontal and you want to like work with a lace that's easy to work with, this is definitely the lace. This Swiss lace is amazing. The hair is actually really soft and beautiful. And I really love the density of it. Like, it's 180 density, and it doesn't feel like too thin at all. Like, it feels really good. I didn't have any issues with like tangling or shedding or anything like that. This is just overall really good quality hair. The hair comes naturally with a middle part in it, like pre-plucked into it. If you don't want a middle part, you can always change that because again, it's a frontal. It's completely up to you. I realized I liked wearing this hair as a flip over because you could just see the hairline better as a flip over and it just looks so much more natural like that. It was amazing. But yeah, that is it for this video, you guys. Like I said, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.